Quotex, Binomo, and Olymp. Which one is better? So let's start with Quotex. Quotex is a relatively new but fast-growing binary options trading platform. It offers a sleek, web-based interface and allows you to trade for currency pairs, cryptos, indices, and commodities. One of Quotex's strengths lies in its minimalist design, making it great for beginners who want a no-frills experience. There's no mobile app for iOS, but Android users do have a native option. Withdrawals are fast, and the platform offers up to 98% returns on successful trades, higher than many competitors. Educational resources are limited, but the platform's clean interface helps shorten the learning curve. Binomo is a well-established binary options trading platform with a reputation for accessibility and gamified features. It supports over 60 assets and runs frequent tournaments and promotions to engage users. The mobile apps for both Android and iOS are polished, making it a popular choice for on-the-go traders. There's also a demo account that mimics live trading accurately. However, Binomo has been banned in certain regions and doesn't have the strongest regulatory standing, which raises questions about security for some users. But for active traders seeking excitement and variety, Binomo delivers. Olymp is a long-standing and globally recognized trading platform regulated by the International Finance Commission, (FINACOM). It combines binary options and forex in a user-friendly package. It's ideal for beginners and semi-advanced traders, thanks to integrated education, signals, indicators, and trading support. The mobile and desktop apps are intuitive, and users can toggle between fixed time and forex-style trades. Olymp also offers a unique experience with multiple time frames, bonuses, and active trader rewards. The downside, profit margins tend to be slightly lower than those of Quotex or Binomo, but is considered more secure overall. And now for the feature comparisons. In terms of max return on trades, Quotex wins here as it is up to 98%, Binomo is up to 90%, and Olymp up to 85%. In terms of regulation, Olymp wins here as it is FINACOM regulated. Binomo is unregulated. In terms of platform availability, all of them are available on web, Android, and iOS. However, Quotex is not available on iOS. In terms of number of tradable assets, Olymp wins here as it has the longest in the game. All platforms include a demo account. In terms of withdrawal time, Binomo and Olymp are about 1 to 3 days, while Quotex takes about 1 to 5 days. In terms of educational resources, Olymp wins here as it is the most advanced. Binomo is basic, and Quotex is limited. All require a minimum deposit of $10. And now for the pros and cons. For Quotex, it has a high ROI potential. Quotex offers up to 98% returns on successful trades, which is significantly higher than many mainstream platforms. This makes it especially attractive to short-term traders who rely on high profit margins for fast compounding. It has a minimalist UI. The user interface is incredibly clean and distraction-free, allowing even complete beginners to focus solely on their trades. There's no clutter, no aggressive upsells, just charts, indicators, and a trading panel. It has a low deposit barrier. With just $10, you can start trading live, which lowers the barrier for entry for many first-time users. The platform also supports a wide range of payment methods, including crypto, making deposits fast and flexible. However, it has limited regulation. Quotex operates under IFMRRC, which is not a widely recognized financial authority, meaning there's less protection for users in case of disputes. This can be a red flag for traders looking for long-term financial security. It has no iOS app. While Android users get a native app, iOS users must use the browser version, which can be slightly less responsive and less optimized for mobile trading. This limits accessibility for Apple users who prefer app-based interfaces. It has a lack of learning tools. There is no built-in educational materials, market news, or community forums on the platform. New traders must seek external sources to learn new strategies, which adds friction to the onboarding experience. And now for Binomo. Binomo has gamified features and tournaments. Binomo offers frequent competitions and trading tournaments, some with real cash prizes. This makes the trading experience more engaging and competitive, which appeals to users who want more than just passive trading. Here's a polished mobile experience. Both iOS and Android apps are fluid, modern, and quick to load. The design makes it ideal for mobile-first traders who want seamless access and education on the go. Here is an accurate demo account. The demo trading account reflects live trading mechanics quite well, including asset behavior and time frames. This allows new users to practice risk-free and transition more confidently into live trades. However, it has questionable regulation. Binomo is not licensed by a major financial regulator and has even been banned in several countries. This makes it riskier for users in terms of fund protection and dispute resolution. It has the occasional withdrawal delays. While most withdrawals are processed within 1 to 3 days, users have reported inconsistent processing times, especially during high volume trading periods. This unpredictability can be frustrating for active traders. Aggressive marketing. The platform sends frequent push notifications and email campaigns, which some users find excessive. It can create a sense of pressure to trade more often than necessary. Now for Olymp Trade. Olymp Trade has strong regulation and trust. Olymp Trade is regulated by Finicom, which provides user protection and access to dispute resolution services. This builds trust, especially for traders who are risk averse or trading with larger capital. It has multiple trade modes. Olymp Trade supports both fixed time trades and forex style trades, giving traders the flexibility to choose a strategy that fits their risk tolerance and style. This makes it suitable for both short term and long term approaches. It has education and community support. The platform includes tutorials, strategy guides, indicators, webinars, and live market analysis. For beginners, this built in learning environment helps shorten the learning curve significantly. However, it has lower max returns. Compared to Quotex and Binomo, Olymp Trade caps returns at around 85% on successful trades. While it offers better support and regulation, traders focused purely on profit margins may see this as a limitation. Bonuses can be confusing. Bonus funds given to traders often come with conditions, like needing to trade a certain volume before withdrawal. This fine print can confuse new users and sometimes create unexpected restrictions. The interface is slightly heavier. Because Olymp Trade offers more features and tools, the interface can feel overwhelming to absolute beginners. It may take a few sessions for users to get fully comfortable with its layout and options. And now for the real world scenarios. For scenario 1, a beginner looking to trade on a small budget, the best option is Quotex. It has an easy interface and high payouts. The runner-up is Binomo, with slightly more features but potentially less trustworthy. For scenario 2, a mobile-first user who trades daily, the best option is Binomo. It has a fast, fluid mobile app with gamified features. The runner-up is Olymp Trade, with a good mobile app with better educational tools. For scenario 3, a cautious trader concerned with regulation, the best option is Olymp Trade. Finicom regulation provides some assurance. The runner-up is Quotex, less regulated but offers a cleaner experience than Binomo. So which trading platform wins? Go for Quotex if you want a simple, high-return platform and are okay with limited support and regulation. Choose Binomo if you're enjoying trading in a fast, competitive, mobile-friendly environment. And finally, choose Olymp Trade if regulation, training, and flexibility in trading styles are your top priorities. Our take: if you're brand new and cautious, Olymp Trade is the safest bet. If you're chasing ROI and simplicity, Quotex offers the best return potential. But if you're looking for excitement, mobile, agility, and tournaments, Binomo is hard to beat. And that has been an honest comparison between Quotex, Binomo, and Olymp Trade. Which trading platform are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.